Good morning, everyone. This morning I'm going to make Granny's cough syrup. We all have a cough. Everybody in the house has a cough. Everybody in the family's got the cough, croup. So can't find a decent cough medicine over the counter. Can't get the doctor to prescribe you anything. So I'm going to make Granny's homemade cough syrup she used to make for everybody, or for the adults. Us kids couldn't take it, and it would sit on top of the refrigerator, and the adults would take it, but I never heard them coughing, but they would always take it. But now we're gonna make us some and use it for our cough. So my ingredients are peppermint, lemon juice, honey, and Jack Daniels. And I thought I had Jack Daniels in the closet. And I got in from church last night and I went to get it to make my cough syrup. And it was, yeah, there wasn't any in that bottle. So somebody might have tried to make some cough syrup. I don't know. But anyway, there wasn't any in there. So this morning I had to go get some more. That's okay. So it takes a half of, we're going to put half of these peppermint sticks in a boiler, and we're going to put half a cup of water, fourth a cup of lemon juice, half a cup of whiskey, but I'm doubling and tripling this recipe so on some of the ingredients. So y'all just be prepared. It's going to get rid of your cough, trust me. And a cup and a half of raw honey. So you melt the peppermint. You melt the peppermint in the water and the lemon juice. Let me turn this up a little bit. You're going to melt that peppermint in there. Then you're going to add the whiskey and the honey and reduce the heat. Then we're going to put that into the jars. I have my jars. We're going to fill those halfway up with peppermint and pour the cough syrup into there. Now the peppermint's supposed to be just for the taste, for it not to kill you. But we're going to put some more peppermint in those jars and pour that over it and let that melt, and then that should be our cough syrup. There's my Granny Always Says. Had a friend make that for me probably 25 years ago, maybe. I don't know. That's Granny. Sweet, sweet Granny. Yes. Okay. Okay. I got the peppermint melted. Got the cough syrup ready. I've got it ready to be poured in a pitcher. And I got my jars ready. I got this little jar for people who are a little suspect of it, because I'm not going to give them a big jar. Stuff's too valuable. So if you're a little suspect, you can get a little jar if you want one. But I've tasted it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to taste it again for y'all. Let y'all look at that. Look at that cough syrup, y'all. I mean, that's gonna kill what ails you. Whatever ails you, that's gonna do it. So we're gonna pour it up in the jars, and that peppermint will melt. And again, the peppermint's mainly for the taste, but it tastes good to me right now. It's gonna maybe too sweet. We may have to add a little more Jack. But that's preferable. We'll let the people do that. We'll let to each his own. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, we're ready to pour it over the there. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get. May have to make another batch. Y'all hear that peppermint popping? Uh-huh. I hear my little. That's for the suspect folks right there. I got that much. I might have to just, well, I guess I better not. I better try to fill these on up a little bit. Okay. Well, that much right there, we can just take that and see how it does for my cough today. All right, y'all. So, there's some cough syrup. Now that should last you at least half a year, 6 months to a year. So they say. It never did last that long around. It never did last that long around our house. But hey, you know, to each his own, to each his own. I'm not giving any kind of directions. You know, I'm not giving any kind of directions on how to take it. You know, 2 times a day, 3 times a day, every 3 or 4 hours. I'm not going to do that. So, y'all just, you know, come up with your own prescription. But don't come back here in a week or two and be asking for some more cough syrup. I love y'all. Granny always said, a little sugar always helps the medicine go down. I love y'all. Bye.